Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best gifts for men is probably one of the most challenging tasks, especially when shopping for the older gentleman in your life. But fear not, because today, we're diving into a curated selection of gifts that are sure to impress. From practical gadgets to sentimental treasures, we'll explore a range of options designed to bring joy and show appreciation. Get ready to discover the perfect present that speaks volumes and makes this gifting season unforgettable. Number 5. BAGSMART Hanging Toiletry Bag. This travel bag offers a large capacity, perfect for family trips. It features multiple compartments to keep everything organized. It's designed to hold all your toiletries. The bag has special design features for convenience. The inner pockets have elastic straps to hold bottles. Transparent sides give you a clear view of what's inside. It comes with a 360-degree swivel hook for easy hanging. The two-way zipper allows for quick access to your items. The handle also serves as a hanging strap. Made from water-resistant polyester, this bag is built to last. The well-padded design protects the contents. It is made of sturdy material and stitching. This bag is convenient and easy to carry. It's great for overnight stays, long journeys, or even trips to the gym. It is perfect for any adventure. What we like. This toiletry bag boasts a large capacity and multiple compartments, perfect for organizing all your essentials. Its water-resistant material ensures your items stay safe and dry. If you're planning a trip or need a convenient way to store your toiletries, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who value organization and protection. What people say. It has plenty of space to fit all my essentials without being bulky, and the compartments help keep everything organized and easy to find. It is a great value for the money and is easy to clean. The hanging feature is an absolute game changer. It accommodates both large and travel size bottles. Number 4. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, Couples Edition. This kit is designed for couples to create a unique keepsake together. It includes everything you need for an easy and meaningful experience. It's a perfect way to celebrate your love. The kit comes with molding powder, casting stone, a molding container, sandpapers, and detailing tools. Clear instructions are included to guide you through each step. You can easily create a professional-grade casting at home. Celebrate love with this DIY hand casting kit. It's the perfect gift for your wife, husband, girlfriend, or partner. Turn meaningful moments into a heartfelt keepsake that lasts forever. The premium hand casting kit captures every fingerprint and fine line. The ultra-precise alginate mix ensures a high-quality result. Anyone can create a professional-grade casting with this kit. It's perfect for anniversaries, weddings, or engagement gifts. This kit turns a special moment into a work of art. It's ideal for date nights or any time you want to create something unforgettable together. This DIY hand casting kit makes a standout gift for anyone. It's a meaningful way to show you care. It's great for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. What we like. This hand casting kit allows you to create a lasting keepsake, perfect for celebrating love. It captures every detail with high-quality materials, ensuring a professional-grade result. If you are looking for a unique and sentimental gift to create a lasting memory, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to celebrate anniversaries or create a special date night activity. What people say. The instructions are clear, the process is easy once you lay everything out, and kids love the science experiment of dipping their hands and then seeing the mold appear. Both times we ended up with detailed plaster casts that captured every crease and fingernail. Easy directions to follow. Turned out great. Number 3. Cuishle Shiatsu Massager, Best Gift. This massager features 8 kneading massage nodes, providing a deep tissue massage to ease muscle tension. It utilizes Shiatsu-based therapy, offering a soothing and relaxing experience for strained muscles, whether from physical strain or mental stress. With infrared heating, this massager provides warmth to ease muscle tension and stress. The gentle heat improves blood circulation and relieves body aches and cramps. It's easy to use and clean, with premium breathable mesh and PU leather for comfort. You can customize your massage with 3 adjustable speeds. Change the direction with a button, or let it automatically switch every minute. The device also has an automatic shut-off feature after 15 minutes for safety. This massager is easy to carry and wear, making it perfect for use anytime, anywhere. It comes with a home power adapter and a car charger, allowing you to enjoy a heat-induced massage at home, in the office, or while traveling. This massager is a great gift idea for anyone. It's perfect for parents, friends, or family. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year replacement warranty. What we like. This massager offers deep tissue kneading with advanced heating, helping to ease muscle tension and stress. With adjustable speeds and directions, you can customize your massage experience. If you like a relaxing and therapeutic experience, this is the perfect gift. It's great for anyone who experiences muscle soreness or enjoys a soothing massage. What people say. The watch is very nice and easy to read. The watch is a great size and weight. The watch is very attractive. Number 2. RAK Magnetic Wristband, cool gifts for men. Looking for a great gift? This magnetic wristband is perfect for any handyman. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Embedded with strong magnets, this wristband securely holds screws and nails. It keeps everything within easy reach, making projects much easier. This tool is great for various projects, from home improvement to auto repair. You can wear it on your wrist or hang it above your workbench. The wristband features a breathable mesh and adjustable strap. It provides a comfortable fit for all-day use, like a tool belt for your wrist. Made with durable ballistic nylon, this wristband is built to last. It's designed for mechanics, carpenters, and anyone who needs a reliable tool. What we like. This magnetic wristband features powerful magnets to securely hold screws and nails, making it a handy tool for any project. Its versatile design and comfortable fit make it ideal for various tasks. If you are looking for a practical and convenient gift for a handyman or DIY enthusiast, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to keep their tools within easy reach. What people say. The watch is very nice and easy to read. The watch has a large face and the numbers are easy to see. The watch is a great gift for my dad. Number 1. Rapid Storage Straps, Assorted 6-pack. Rapid Storage, a family-owned business, was founded with a simple mission, helping you get untangled. They know a thing or two about cord storage and organization. Get your RV hoses and work van accessories wrapped up like a pro. These straps make it easy to organize your cords and accessories. If your garage is filled with tools and equipment, this product can make you a master garage organizer. It's perfect for extension cord storage and more. Made with heavy-duty polypropylene, this product offers high-quality storage. It can hold up to 50 pounds, perfect for heavy hoses and power tools. The pack includes various sizes to fit your needs, 2 10-inch, 2 13-inch, and 2 17-inch straps. It's a great gift for dad or a shed organizer. What we like. These heavy-duty storage straps are made from durable material and come in multiple sizes, perfect for organizing cords and tools. If you have a garage or shed filled with equipment that needs organizing, this is a great solution. It's ideal for those who value order and want to keep their space tidy and efficient. What people say. Very nice straps, really helped with organizing my extension cords and keeping them neat and secure. The straps seem well made with quality materials and the Velcro is strong. The basic material in these straps are very sturdy and the Velcro-like binding material has a good strong hold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.